Aquaman may be sued for allowing Amber Heard to appear in the sequel. These days, it's impossible to hear Amber Heard's name without recalling her brutal, protracted legal battle with Johnny Depp. Depp eventually won the legal battle, which has impacted Heard's career in a variety of ways, including how much she will likely appear as Mera in the Aquaman sequel. According to Bounding Into Comics, a relatively simple case against Universal Pictures might result in a scenario in which Warner Bros. Is sued simply for permitting Amber Heard to appear in the sequel at all. The complaint against Universal is unrelated to Amber Heard and instead centers on another actress, Ana de Armas. The plaintiff in the action is claiming because he rented the movie yesterday from Amazon, and was upset that, despite her appearance in the trailer, de Armas was not in this Beatles film. She had a subplot that was ultimately removed from the film, and she appears just in a photograph in the final cut, despite the trailer making it appear that she had a larger role. It sounds absurd, but the plaintiff is so upset over paying $3.99 to rent a movie with less Ana de Armas in it that he is suing Universal for creating a false, misleading, and deceptive trailer. The lawsuit even claims that the studio engaged in unlawful business practices, and that the plaintiff suffered actual injury and lost money. To be honest, employing an expensive lawyer to compensate for regretting spending less than $4 is insane. But some analysts believe that the plaintiff winning this action might have an unanticipated effect on the Aquaman sequel merely by having Amber Heard participate in any capacity in the film. That umbrella guy, also known as Tug to his legion of humiliating admirers, is the analyst in question. He says that Warner Bros. Could be in trouble under California's false marketing statute because the studio has not disclosed how much Amber Heard will feature in Aquaman 2, and he claims that if Heard's role has been reduced as a result of the ugly legal drama or, as some wild rumors claim, she has had additional scenes added since the outcome of the high-profile trial, this could result in legal repercussions. Tug believes that unhappy fans may file a class action lawsuit against Warner Bros. Based on the outcome of the Universal lawsuit just because they expected or hoped that Amber Heard would not appear in the film. He believes that those involved in the claim will be able to recoup at least the cost of their movie ticket, and that this would send a message to the studio about lying to their target audience. Tug is not a lawyer, and his opinions on what might happen to Warner Bros. If Amber Heard appears in Aquaman 2 are nothing more than neckbeard guesswork. For example, if the studio earlier stated that her role would be reduced but not eliminated entirely, and she presumably appears in previews for the picture, it would be difficult to sue the studio because unhappy audiences assumed she wouldn't be in the film at all. To be honest, the most intriguing aspect of this bizarre case is attempting to calculate how much money the first plaintiff is wasting suing Universal because he didn't get to see what he thought $3.99 worth of Ana de Armas.